Good morning, it's Scarlett from Marlie Holiday Park, and on this gorgeous day I want to show you one of the luxury lodges we've just had in for sale. So today we have the stunning Cadance by Willerby. It's a 40 by 22 bedded model that has just arrived. This stunning luxury lodge comes with a large open planned living and dining area and a gorgeous open plan kitchen. With two lovely large three-seater sofas. One actually pulls out to a sofa bed, so there sleeps 6 in this model. We have a lovely media station, plenty of storage and a stunning 50-inch TV included as well. We have sliding patio doors that will open onto the decking that will be included in this model. Lovely private area at the back here, so you have a nice large decking, plenty of space to sit and watch the world go by. We have a lovely freestanding dining table with plenty of room for all the family to sit and have a lovely home-cooked meal. And again, plenty of storage in the dining area as well. We have the stunning open plan kitchen with a lovely wraparound island with plenty of counter space. There's an integrated washing machine and a dishwasher, integrated hob, and a lovely large oven and microwave area. We've got the lovely large family bathroom with a large basin, storage under the sink, and a lovely large bath with a shower overhead. We have the twin bedded room, 2 lovely large single beds, plenty of space throughout here, and it boasts a lovely large walk-in wardrobe. We have the extremely large master bedroom with a lovely large double bed, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite shower room with a full-size shower. This stunning holiday home has a real light and airy feel throughout, has absolutely ample space for the whole family, is on a gorgeous plot. This gorgeous plot faces straight onto the nature reserve and has absolutely ample garden space out the back. Plenty of space for a nice large decking as well. So the Willerby Cadance comes with decking, free pitch fees for 2022 and 2023 and £500 towards your gas and electric. This holiday home will go so quickly as it's on the most beautiful plot and it has absolutely everything the family will need for those fantastic holidays to just pick up and go whenever the mood takes you. Do give Scarlett a call on 07759 833 009 to book your appointment today. Take care, bye.